Okay, so after the students posted the work and you want to check their work, you're gonna go back to classwork on your own screen. You'll open up the assignment. You'll see that one student has turned it in. It was only assigned to one. Once you open that up, you'll see that this student has turned it in. Slides are not gonna get automatically graded. So if you wanna see that person's work, you can click on their file. It'll open it up and you'll see the edits that I made earlier. Here I typed my name, I moved that tile, and I added my picture. So these you'll grade manually. Slideshows that kids or students are editing. And then I'll do another video to show you how forms are automatically graded.